Alright, here we go. So, we're going to be doing an unboxing of a FiFine microphone. I bought it from Amazon. This is a package that comes with a mechanical arm. It looked like it had kind of half decent reviews. I'm a little weary of trusting Amazon reviews just on their own. So I looked at a few YouTube videos of guys that have kind of used them and said that they're, for what they're worth, they're very decent. They don't really kind of outperform any of the higher end microphones, but for sort of the price, it definitely does the job of, I guess what it's supposed to do. I'm pretty new to the whole land of microphones, so I'm sure from whatever I had previously, it'll probably be a bit of an upgrade. Yeah, so I'm just going to do an unboxing of it now and just kind of like first impressions of the quality of the build and stuff as I open it and kind of feel it for the first time here. So just kind of go through it. Now I am kind of excited to have this excessively out of my norm, if you will, if you call it, thing hanging off the side of my desk here. Looks like I'm kind of like going to start a rap video with this thing. This is kind of cool. Spit into that mic. Yeah. It's actually, I'm also using this camera for the first time too, so I'm trying to figure out where the focus points are. And yeah, that's actually, feels pretty good. I don't know, compared to what, but, yeah, this little clamp here, the screw feels pretty good. Alright, there's quite a bit of stuff in here actually. I'm just kind of see what this is. I have no idea. Backup accessories. Rubber rings for a mount. I have no idea what this is, but I'm sure it'll make itself clear soon enough. There's quite a bit of stuff going on here. I'm going to take a look at the mic first. Let's just kind of take it out here. Alright, yeah, that's it's got a good weight to it. I've never really held I guess a good quality microphone here, so not really sure what I'm what to compare it to. This little swivel thing here seems kind of plastic, but yeah, I'm not really sure what that connects to, but we'll see. Let's see what else is in here. These little this little kind of stand here. It's pretty high. Oh, I guess that's what this is for, right? So you just kind of like, turn it around in a circle so it feels kind of snug, I guess. Yeah, it's got a good feel to it. Feels nice and secure in there. Doesn't feel like it's going to topple over or anything. Cool. So far, so good. Not bad. Alright, let's keep going. What else is in here? So the rest of this stuff, so this is I don't know what the technical word for this thing is, but it's kind of like a clown nose that you put over the microphone here, as if it were the clown's nose. So let's just put that over there for a second and pretend we know what we're doing. So there, that looks like it's supposed to go on there, right? Kinda. Testing, hello? No, just kidding. It doesn't work yet, obviously, because it's not plugged in, and again, I have no idea what I'm doing. This looks like a USB cable of sort. Yeah. Fat USB to normal USB. So we'll figure out where that plugs in. This is a USB microphone, so I'm assuming, oh, there it is, right at the bottom there. So this goes in here. I get it. Let's take a look at what the clamp is doing. I'm kind of worried about my desk. I don't want to, like, clamp it too hard, so I might put something, yeah, it looks like, so this metal piece here looks like if I clamp that to the table, table's not gonna appreciate it too much. So I might put a piece of fabric or something in there just to kind of keep it safe. But the bottom piece, it feels like it has some rubber on there, and that looks like it'll be table friendly, if you will. So let's keep going here. What's this thing? I have no idea what this is. Zero clue what that does. But it does have the same kind of socket type or whatever you want to call that to fit on here. Like I could have put it on here instead, I guess, upside down. Yeah, don't know. Maybe this goes in some sort of like combination of sorts. We'll figure it out in a sec. Actually, no. We're going to try and figure it out right now by looking at these instructions and seeing what it's called. It's called a shock mount. Ooh. I mean, does it know that I'm sim racing? Oh, it's to put the microphone. Ah, I got it. In a little. It's like it's got its own little house here. See that? Yeah, this shock mount is. I wonder if it's optional or not. Anyways, I'll probably just put it on because why not? Some of the instructions have it, some of them don't. So I'll look into it later as to, you know, what shocks can occur during desk usage here. Oh wow. Okay, so she's got some live spring action here. She wants to spring to action immediately. Cool. All right, that feels pretty good. I have no idea how it's going to support the weight of the mic here. I think it should be okay. I mean, we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. She feels a little funny. I don't know if I'm doing it properly, so I'm going to stop doing whatever I'm doing right now. And yeah. Okay, no, I'm continuing to do what I'm doing, and I didn't put it back properly for some reason. It's like kind of feeling a little strange now. Let's see how that works. Let's see if there's any instructions on what to do here. Which way is up and which way is down? I do not know. Like, does it go this way or does it go this way? This is when the instructions come out. But yeah, so first impressions are, the microphone feels pretty good actually, you know, without plugging in and hearing it so far. But this arm, it feels like it's probably right on the brink of being able to hold this thing. Oh, this little twisty thing here loosens the slack, I guess. Before I play around with it too much, I'm gonna probably read the instructions on how to use this arm. But yeah, it's a totally unboxed FiFine microphone with a mechanical arm. I'll let you know how it goes once it's all set up.